Hi, welcome back. So what is 5 plus 5 divided by 5 plus 5 times 5 factorial? What does that equal? Well, we must always deal with division and multiplication before subtraction and addition. But first, let's work out what the value of 5 factorial is. 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that gives us 5 times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60, times 2 is 120. So that is 120. So now let's quickly rewrite this as 5 plus, I'm going to put this in brackets, 5 divided by 5 plus 5 times 120. Now 5 divided by 5 is 1, so that's 5 plus 1 plus 5 times 120 is 600. So that gives us a grand total of 606. And that's the answer.